The universe is saying to you today, my lovely child, your story is about to change so epically. It's going to make your heart and head spin. All the time and effort you put into mastering yourself is about to satisfyingly pay off. The way your journey has been set up is a pure work of art. This next breakthrough is going to confirm that. Every ounce of magic in you is about to triple in size. Take a second to enjoy the present moment. It won't be this way for much longer. You are approaching the final steps of the tunnel, but you are slowly realizing that the light you were chasing at the end of it always stemmed from within you. Be at peace. Your next chapter is going to leave a permanent smile on your face and a lifetime of joy in your soul. Type yes if you agree and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.